Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I'm going to be going all around my apartment and sharing my monthly favorites with you. So once again, just like last month, I got this idea from Janae Brown on YouTube. For her monthly favorites, instead of sitting down and sharing each monthly favorite, she likes to go around her apartment and show you. So that's what I want to do. So let's go ahead and get started. We are currently in my bedroom, but I want to start off in the kitchen and share with you my favorite snacks and stuff lately because I have quite a bit of that, mostly like breakfast stuff. Okay, so we are here in the kitchen and the first thing I want to show you guys. Alright, so this is my favorite yogurt from Trader Joe's. It's the non-fat Greek yogurt with 0% milk fat. I typically like to get non-dairy yogurt, but honestly this one is pretty good. Like, it doesn't hurt my stomach or anything. And what I love to pair it with is their Pecan Praline Granola. So yeah, I get like 2 of these at a time because I go through them so fast. Typically what I do is get a couple of spoonfuls of this onto a bowl, add the granola mix, and I add chia seeds. This one I got from Costco a long time ago. And then I get the Trader Joe's hemp seeds. So I add all that together, top it off with some banana and frozen blueberries, or any fruit really that you want. And then I just use like some of their honey, whatever honey I have. And it's so yummy. It's honestly one of my favorite things. I'll probably make some later because it's such a good snack too, and not just for breakfast. All right, and then another breakfast favorite has been mini bagels. I haven't found any other brand that sells mini bagels because personally I would love to get like a different type of bagel and not just plain, but this is the one that I always find at Target. And the reason why I love these so much is because for breakfast, if I want to have like a couple of different things, I won't feel bad having a whole bagel plus other things. And then I've been using this KiteHill cream cheese. So this one is a vegan cream cheese. This one is the chive one. It's a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but compared to all the other vegan cream cheeses that I've tried, this one is for sure like the best brand I've found. It tastes so good. It tastes almost like the real thing, like not that big of a difference because I've had some nasty vegan cream cheeses, but these two are great. All right, and then another favorite, if we go in here, my protein powder. So this one I've always gotten, it's just a plant-based protein. I tried a different one after, but I had to come back to this one because it's superior to the other ones I've had. But yeah, if you're looking for a good protein powder, I highly recommend this one. It has a good amount of protein compared to others. Yeah, 24 grams, that is pretty good. So highly recommend this one. And this one's in the vanilla flavor, but they also have a chocolate. Okay, so another favorite, which kind of uses the products I already showed you, and that is making smoothies. I have been making so many smoothies this month because the weather is getting warmer and it just screams smoothie season. So I had purchased a NutriBullet. This one, I just got it from Amazon. It just comes with that container. You know how sometimes some things come with like so many cups and it's like a huge pack? Like, it's just me, so I don't need all that stuff. So that was pretty cheap. I think it was $50, like $70, $50, $70, I can't remember. But it was a lot cheaper than I initially thought it was going to be. So lately I've been doing 2 different smoothies. So I either have a peanut butter banana smoothie, which is a bunch of frozen banana, and then this PB2 powder, which is pretty good too because it has 6 grams of protein per serving. And all I add to that is either almond milk or oat milk, whatever I have. And I add in some chia seeds and the hemp seeds, and that's basically it. And then for my other smoothie is basically just cutting out the peanut butter, and it's just frozen banana, frozen blueberries, any other frozen fruit that I have, the chia seeds, the hemp seeds, whatever milk of my choosing. And sometimes I'll add protein powder if I want to any of them. So those are all the food and snack items that I wanted to show you guys. So let's get on to more decor favorites. I've really been loving having some fresh flowers. These are some that I was gifted by a company called Poppy Flowers. They do delivery so you can make your own bouquets at home. And I took a little bouquet class and this is what I came up with. Some of them are looking sad because they're starting to die out because it's been a while. And then I have some, excuse the boxes. And then I have some right here on the coffee table. So it really just adds a nice pop of color. So then if you come through, I have some right here. I think they look really cute right there. And then we make our way through the bathroom and to the bedroom. I have some more right here. So yeah, really cute. And now it's not just plants all around. I have some flowers too. So yeah, I'm starting to incorporate some fresh flowers. Before these, I've also had like fresh eucalyptus in the bathroom and everything, and even in the living room and stuff. For sure, if you're looking to get some fresh flowers at the grocery store for your home, I highly recommend Trader Joe's. Every time I get stuff from there, it lasts pretty well. It definitely does make a difference. It feels a lot more like spring in here and I love it. All right, the next items I wanted to share with you guys are some organizational items. First, we have these little wire baskets and bins. So these were actually sent to me by a company. They didn't tell me to post or anything, but I genuinely really like them because the quality is so good. They sent me quite a few stuff, so I'm going to show you because I love them. So these baskets, they come in a pack of 2, and I love them because they are so sturdy. I love the like off-white color. Like it doesn't look like those cheaper white ones. It looks like a lot more sleek. And then it has like these little cute details on them. So really like these. It also came with 3 of these bins, a larger one that I have in my closet. But I really like these because they're, like I said, they're just simple. I keep other chargers in there, but I'm currently charging my camera batteries. So yeah, and then in here I have some other stuff that I can't share with you yet. So yeah, love those. And then they also sent me these that I keep in here. So they sent over 2 of these. I can't remember what they're called. They're just racks, I guess. I don't know. But I think it fits perfectly in here. It definitely saved up a lot of space. I have so much more space up there now. So yeah, I just keep like my plates right here and then my bowls. And then I have some glasses, some cuter glasses, and then my little terracotta stash right there. I really want to get some cuter plates and bowls and stuff and just make this really nice and get everything ceramic. So yeah, these definitely are encouraging me to get cuter plates and all that. And while I'm still here, I do have some other favorites, which would be some like cocktail glasses that I've been using when my friends come over and we're having drinks and stuff. And honestly, just to pour like any regular drink in here, I just think it's that much cuter. I can't remember the name of the style of these, but obviously I'll have everything linked down below. And then these other taller cocktail glasses, obviously the other ones are cuter, but sometimes you need like this style. And also I got them for like working on campaigns and stuff. Sometimes you want cuter glasses and not just like those boring other ones that I have. And another thing I've been loving from Amazon are these jars. So I keep my coffee in here, Better Buzz vanilla powder. I love that I came with these 2. It's like perfect for the little coffee station I have over here. And then it also came with this size. And then in here, I keep this big one with my pasta. And then there's another where I keep a bunch of different teas that don't fit, like right there. Okay, next we can make our way into the bathroom for some skincare type of favorites. All right, we are in my bathroom. The first favorite I want to share, I love this thing so much. My little sister actually is the one that got me into these because she let me try them and I love them so much. So it is the Bio Peel, an advanced treatment by Neogen Dermology. So this is what they look like. So they're like little pads you just slip your fingers through. They have like a little pocket and they're an exfoliant. So you just like scrub. It says you could use it up to 2 times a week. So that's what I've been doing lately. I've been using it every Monday and Friday. And after you use them, it seriously makes your face feel super smooth. And I feel like it's really helping me clear out my skin a little bit. You guys know I have like skin problems and everything. Using something something like this has been great. It feels like a little at-home spa because it's not like a mask or anything. You just use it and wash it off. And this one is in the scent wine. They have like green tea. I can't remember what else they have. I know they have green tea scent, but this is the wine one and it's so good. So definitely recommend these if you're looking for a new skincare product, but maybe something you want to add into your morning routine. This says it promotes visibly clearer, smoother, and tighter skin, and it has really good reviews. So I get eczema. I think you could like tell sometimes when I have like red or whatever, like I have little patches right now of eczema. I started getting it like last year when I moved to San Jose and was living there for a while. So I was thinking like, oh, it had to do with like living up in Northern California because I have a history of allergies. Like I've gotten allergies since I was a little girl. But ever since I started using a nasal spray instead of just like allergy pills, my allergies have totally cleared up. I mean, sometimes I'll feel like, oh, maybe I'll get it, but then I just use the spray and I feel good. But yeah, significant difference. Like I do not get my seasonal allergies that much anymore. So now that I'm not getting those allergies, I feel like it's just turned into eczema, which is basically like another allergy, I guess. Ever since I started getting that, I started using a lot of CeraVe products, but this moisturizer specifically has been such a lifesaver because at night after I do my skincare, I'll literally get so much of this and like pack it on my face, especially and like more heavily on the actual eczema patches, and then the next morning my skin looks so much better. Obviously the eczema isn't gonna go away in one night, but this really helps. So definitely recommend CeraVe products, but this moisturizing cream is so great. But yeah, if you guys get eczema too, let me know if there's anything you use. Mine's not that bad. Like I have a friend who literally needs to be like on hardcore medication because hers gets really bad. Lately it's just been around here. I remember when I first started getting it and I was really concerned. I didn't know what the heck it was. I was getting it like on my forehead, like a lot around my eyes, my mouth. Like it was really intense when I was living up north. I think it does have to do a little bit with the fact that I moved from Southern California to Northern California, since I was already like prone to allergies and stuff. But yeah, before I get sidetracked, highly recommend these. Okay, now stepping away from skincare stuff, I want to share 2 items that I've been using every single day because I simply can't live without them anymore. My hair clips and this bristle brush. So I have one on right now, as you can see. So my hair is so thin that it literally fits in just one of these. And I used to just use like a rubber band and like have it up and stuff, but then I would feel like I would be getting headaches all day, you know, when you keep your hair in a ponytail for too long or something. And then I just got tired of having a bun all the time and wanted something different. So I got these really cute ones from Amazon, as you can see, this style. But yeah, I love these so much. This is like the perfect size clip for me, but there's other sizes too in case you have like thicker hair. They have bigger ones. And then this bristle brush, because I'm sure you guys get like little baby hairs and stuff too, or like little flyaways. Just go like this and it puts everything down. And if I'm trying to do like a nice sleek look or something, then I can add some hairspray and do it, and it looks so nice. Like I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these. Again, my little sister is basically the one that got me into wanting one because she has one. Girl is way more trendy than I am. I feel like I'm always getting tips from her. Okay, one last thing I almost forgot are these Korean scrubs. So I saw these on TikTok a long time ago and I forgot to get them. I've been to a Korean spa before, I think like twice, and is the greatest thing ever. If you've never been to a Korean spa, I highly recommend. I don't even know if they're open because of the pandemic. I don't know. They're probably opening up now or something. But anyways, I got these to just like do a regular scrub at home. So what I've been doing is every Friday while I'm in the shower, I just use this and scrub my entire body. So I've been adding this new step into my routines on Fridays and I love it. If you haven't tried this, then I definitely recommend you get basically everything off. Like all your little like dead skin that you get while you're sleeping, like you're scrubbing it all off. It's definitely not like when you go to a Korean spa because you know those ladies be scrubbing hard. Like this, like I get an arm workout from doing it because I'm trying to scrub so hard and it doesn't hurt or anything. It honestly feels so good. So if you've been thinking about getting these or something, then you definitely should. They're super cheap on Amazon too. All right, and let me think about if there's anything else, maybe I can share my favorite plant, because lately it's been Mr. Fiddle over here, because he's been growing a lot. So he had just grown these 3 and now he's growing another one. So yeah, it's safe to say he's my favorite lately, and I can't wait to see him grow even bigger. He's so cute. Love him. And I think that's pretty much all my favorites that I can show you. But I do have 2 shows that have been my favorite this month, so definitely wanted to share those with you. The first one would have to be Firefly Lane on Netflix. If you haven't seen that, I highly recommend. If you're into like girl shows, you know, like I'm not gonna say chick flicks because it's not like a chick flick type of show. Right off the bat, when I watched the first episode, it like ends where you need to see the second episode. And I love those type of shows, the ones that just keep reeling you in. So definitely recommend that one. I love it. Second is Gilmore Girls. I've been rewatching Gilmore Girls. I have so much more respect for the show since watching it this second time. Like, I had only seen it when I was younger, and it's so different now. I feel like I have the worst memory because I can't even remember everything from the show, but that's what I love, because I feel like I'm kind of rewatching the show for the first time, and also because like I'm older now, I see it in a different way, and like I said, I have so much more respect for it. I love it so much. Friends have been asking me which one is my favorite guy, you know, from all of Rory's guys, and honestly, like, Luke is my guy. Luke is my guy. If you love Gilmore Girls, then this is your sign to rewatch it, because girl, I literally couldn't sleep last night. I think I'm on season 5, so a lot of crazy stuff is happening, and I couldn't go to sleep because I needed to watch the next episode and then the next episode. So yeah, I've been obsessed with that lately. Definitely rewatch it, or if you haven't watched it, then you better watch it, because it's seriously the best show. Anyways, you guys, I think that's gonna be it for my March favorites. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and remember, if there's anything that you're interested in, I'll have everything linked down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then definitely do, because I'll be sharing my monthly favorites every single month, and along with other home and lifestyle type of videos. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next video.